Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Walcom Slim Kombat paint gun. This is a 1.3 needle nozzle combination with HTE. Alright, let's just get started, see what's inside the case. First of all, it comes in a real nice case, which is good, so you can store it. Let's just open it up and see what the contents is. First of all, you're going to have your manual. You're going to have your warranty and the disassembly diagram. Alright. Next, you're going to have the cup. It does come with a rebuild kit, which if you take care of it, you're not going to need, but it's good to have. It does come with the wrench so you can disassemble it. Some lubricant, some mineral oil, some filters, a cleaning brush, and this particular paint gun does come with a regulator. Right there. This is just for protection. You can take it off, and this is the gun. It's exactly as the Carbonio, the HTE. The only difference is that it's a lot slimmer. It's a lot thinner, and it weighs nothing. It's real light. The trigger on this gun is real nice. Fits well in the hand. Let me open it up. This is just one twist, not even, it's half a twist and it comes off, which is nice. And yeah, that's all that comes in the box. I'm gonna be using this to paint the doors of the Mustang, so that's coming up next also. You be ready for that. And this is it, guys. This is all that's included. I am gonna leave the link on the bottom as to where I got it from. I did get it from Italy, and it took from Italy to the United States. It took like 3 days, so that the company ships out real quick. So it's real nice. I'm gonna leave all the information of the company so that. If you want one of these, you can go ahead and get it. All right, let me show you something else that a viewer sent me, and I really appreciate it. And this is it, guys. This is a DeVilbiss MGB Series 501, and this was sent by a viewer by the name of Josh. I appreciate it, Josh. Thank you very much. I'm gonna display this on my display case. So I really appreciate it. Thank you. It's a real nice gun. I already tried it. It does work. It did need a little cleaning, which I already did. I opened it up and cleaned everything up. So I believe he said he found it. So and he sent it out to me. So I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, guys. So this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. And this was an unboxing of the new Walcom Slim Kombat paint gun, and also showing you the gun that a viewer sent me. All right, guys. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great week, and I'll see you this coming weekend. I'm gonna be testing out this gun on on the Mustang. On the doors of the Mustang, so stay tuned for that video. All right, guys. Again, thank you very much, and like always, God bless.